Actually, I'm a businessman. I love my business. And I wanted to be successful businessman. I my business category hospitality. Okay, a business and long business continue and always my business leading position. Um, my I like businessman. I quit today. Actually, I play level. I love my play football, cricket, badminton, volleyball, etc. And I don't like dishonest. I don't like active people. I don't like motivate. I don't like addicted people. And I like I enjoy my traveling. I enjoy watching movie, and I today my celebration is finished.
Finished. Okay, sir. Importance of learning English.
Important.
Yes, sir.
Okay. English is an international language. No nation can without its today. No nation can go proper without it today. For English, in a yellow pylon, in a yellow pylon, in a telephone operator, being a tourist guide, a student, service holder, businessman, all person must know English. Um, Also, person who like to get job in a foreign office or a big hotel must know English. Also, person who like to get job in a foreign office must know English. And in a telephone operator must know English because talk to other countries. And even postman must know English because he is in a foreign class.